Do you want to earn $300 for writing a poem? Well, if that sounds interesting, then watch this video very carefully. What's up YouTube? I am Akshat from Agrawal Bros, and in this video I'm gonna tell you certain websites that are gonna pay you up to $300 for writing a poem. So this video is for those creative folks who do like writing and do like to write poems and that kind of stuff. So watch this video very carefully. I'm gonna tell you a simple way, three simple sites which you can go and register and start earning money right away. And if you're new to my channel, then please browse through the collection of videos that I have on my channel. I regularly post content related to how to make money online. You can find videos on how to make money through YouTube, through copy paste work, through TikTok, through ClickBank, etc. There are many videos. You can browse through our channel and see what works best for you. So let's hop into the method. The first site that I am gonna recommend to you for earning good amount of money online, like $300, would be Blue Mountain Arts. So this is the interface of this website. I know it kind of looks old, but that's how it is. So you can see helping people communicate for more than 40 years. And what are we looking for? Contemporary prose or poetry written from personal experience that reflects the thoughts and feelings people today want to communicate to one another but don't always know how to put into words. And here's what we are not looking for: rhymed poetry, religious verse, one-liners, or humors. Try to avoid frequently overused words and phrases such as special gift, sending you a hug, birthday wishes for you, an angel. So you can visit this site, browse through what are the do's and don'ts, and there are guidelines regarding postal submissions. It says send to Blue Mountains Art Editorial Department, Post Office Box 1007, Boulder, CO 80306. Work should be typewritten, so that's important. It should be typewritten. One poem per page, please, and your name should appear on every page. You may submit as many poems at one time as you wish. If you would like a response and or have your work written, you must enclose a self-addressed stamped envelope, that is called SASE, of adequate size with the correct postage. Be sure to include your name, address, and telephone number with your submission. And please keep us informed of all address and telephone number changes. Include your email address if you wish to receive periodic email updates of your current needs. So you should read this, and if you're interested in this kind of work, then submit them a postal submission. You can also do an email submission. You need to submit your work on this email: editorial@sps.com. They also write, please do not send attachments or website link. You may submit as many different works as you wish, all in one email. Type or paste text of your work into body of email. Be sure to include your name, address, and telephone number. Email submissions will receive reply within 1 to 2 weeks of your submissions. If you do not hear from us again within 4 months, you can assume that your work is no longer under consideration. So this is a very good site. And now let's talk about the payment. We pay $300 per poem for the worldwide exclusive rights to publish it on a greeting card and other products, and $50 per poem for one-time use in a book. So that's it. $300 per poem for the worldwide exclusive right to publish it on a greeting card and any other product. So this site is pretty good. It has positive reviews. The only downside with this site is that it takes a certain degree of time, typically around 1 to maybe 3 months from them to get back to you. So that's the only downside. So you can come over to this site, register yourself, and send them certain submissions. Be read the guidelines carefully before sending them any submissions. Also, you can go and register to other sites such as what was that, Upwork, no, not up, yeah, this one, upwithpaper.com. So this is the interface of this site. Always looking for new talent. We are always on the lookout for new talent, trend setting designs, and innovative paper engineering to add to our award winning everyday and seasonal card collections for our specialty and mass market lines. So you can contact them on this particular email address, creative director at the rate upwithpaper.com. Another site that I would like to recommend is called Dayspring. So you can also contact them. They pay around $150 for accepted submissions. So this is another good site which you can try. There are also other sites such as this one, unfilteredcards.com. So you can contact them on this address, unfiltered at the rate shadetreegreetings.com. They also pay somewhere around $150 per accepted submission. So if you like my video, then please smash the like button and also comment on these videos. And you can also visit my channel. So you can visit my channel and browse the collection of the videos and see what works for you, and also subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for instant notifications. So this is it for today. I'll also come back with new ideas regularly, so stay tuned. Bye bye.